What is good, everyone? Today we are out here with the man's Albert. He's out here blowing his freaking floaty right now. But we are up to a little adventure trying to hit up this canyon and get some amazing light rays from the canyon. We'll see how it turns out. Look, no promises. We don't even know where the exact spot is, so this is all up in the air. I'm really hoping for the best that we can get something out of this. Hopefully get a nice photo. So the plan with this is that we're gonna put our $5,000 cameras on this so they don't sink in the water. To add on to that, I've got this little dry bag for like 10 bucks from eBay to try and keep my $5,000 gear alive. This could be a recipe for disaster. Hopefully we get things back in one piece, and let's go. Alright, so we got an update. I basically stalked the canyoners. We found them, which is pretty fortunate. And the canyon's just all the way down there. Except we need to, so we don't have fucking ropes. We're gonna swim basically the entire length of the canyon to get to a 6th spot to get a photo. So we're on the right track, which is good. I don't know how long we're gonna swim for. I have a wetsuit. Albert's got nothing. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. And fingers crossed, man. Nothing's guaranteed yet. Hopefully it's safe enough. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. I think it's time to hop in the drink, man. As apparently it's like a 30-minute swim, a fucking 30-minute swim. I'm not the best swimmer, keep in mind. This guy has no wetsuit. This guy is absolutely fucked. At least I have a wetsuit.
Bro, I don't need a fucking wetsuit, dude. I just need something to carry my bag.
Oh man, this is gonna be a joke. We've got a kid floaty for our stuff. We have like the fakest gear. Alright, so this is what you're supposed to look like when you're canyoning. And this is what we look like. Alright to go, I got the wetsuit on. I'm gonna stand in there. This is my floaty. This is my shit. Hope the waterproof bag works for a fucking $5,000 camera. Albert is literally, this guy's a wreck, man. This guy is so fucked. We're gonna set now, GoPro mode, let's go. So we made it a fair portion along the canyon, not too far. You probably can't hear me for shit. Man, this place is absolutely insane. We've got a bit to go. Like, we have a bit of cloud cover, which is not ideal for the photo, but I reckon we can get something nice regardless. This is absolutely sick. They've low-key scammed us and telling us we have to swim 30 minutes. That's not the case. But maybe we'll get a photo like right there. Someone standing there, we'll see. And yeah, we'll keep going for a little bit. We're a bit cold, but we're going good so far. At this point, we stopped at aesthetic part of the canyon and took some photos. These were my 3 favorite photos from the adventure. Unfortunately, I kind of screwed up and I really underexposed the photos a shit ton. All in all, I think the photos turned out alright, but I'm definitely going to have to go back there to get the right exposure. And at this point, unfortunately, the clouds started rolling in and the sun completely disappeared, so it was really overcast and we didn't get the conditions we wanted. Also, it started raining and flash flooding is a genuine concern, so if we continue any further, it might get dangerous, and honestly, it probably looked like the same thing again and again and again, so we decided to get the hell out of there and head back. So we just wrapped up from the canyon. It was a fat trek back, man. Very full on. We didn't go that far as we wanted to because basically there's a lot of cloud in the sky and we wanted those beautiful light rays. There wasn't much point going much further, but it was a huge success. We are now at Wentworth Falls, kind of a stop on the way, and I want to dive that waterfall. We'll see how it turns out, man. Fingers crossed, I hope I don't lose it. This is like my 2nd waterfall dive ever, so no stress. Let's try and make it happen, and yeah, we'll probably call it there. We'll roll the clips. If you enjoyed the video, show it some love, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.